Now we will go through actually walking through a course. Once you've entered into a course, you'll be able to see at the top left the course information, the course introduction, as well as the course overview and procedures for that particular course. You'll also see the completion and progress bar listed as well. And if you are interested in going back to your courses, you can just click up here in the top left to go back to your courses. Now that we're into this course, which is California Real Estate Principles, you'll see that on the right side, you have the course information and details listed. So under course overview, we have the course structure regarding how many quizzes and exams, and all the details will be listed here. Once you're read and completed this particular area, you'll go ahead and click complete and continue, and then it will take you to the next step, which will be reviewing the course procedures. Once you've read and completed this area, you can go ahead and click complete and continue in the bottom right corner, and it will take you into chapter 1. Now, the course introduction area does not actually count towards the completion of your course. Only the chapters and the exams count towards the completion of your course. So this progress bar will only start moving forward once you've completed the course. As you notice, after I've completed these particular areas, they turn orange, and that will signify that that area has been completed. Once I've clicked into the actual chapter, the first thing that pulls up is the ebook. The next thing that can pull up is the lesson presentation. These are presentations that help you to kind of refresh what you've just discussed in the ebook. You can actually just click on the presentation and it will walk you through. You can also use this area right here below. But once you're ready, you can go ahead and click complete and continue. And this will take you into a video lecture area. If you purchase video lectures, you'll be able to view them right from here as well.